everyone! You are just in time!
Look, the stories are really coming alive,
Welcome to DTL Kids Corner!
where every day is a new adventure.
Maria, do you know what an adjective is?
Adjectives describe nouns, right?
That is right, but not just nouns. They can also describe pronouns like he, she, they, or it.
So if I say, a red apple, red is the adjective. It tells us the color of the apple.
And if I say she is kind, kind describes the pronoun she.
That makes sentences sound more interesting.
Let us try some examples.
A fluffy cat,
A cold ice cream,
a tall building,
a happy child.
Wow, adjectives really bring things to life.
Exactly. They help us picture what we are talking about. Okay, everyone, it is challenge time.
We will show you a noun or pronoun, and you think of an adjective to describe it.
First one, the sun. What adjective describes it?
Did you say bright or hot? Perfect.
How about cake?
Yummy, delicious, sweet, or colorful.
And how about this one? She.
You could say she is brave, or she is kind.
So remember, adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. They tell us how something looks, feels, tastes, or sounds.
And when you use adjectives, your sentences become colorful and full of life.
Try it today. Look around and describe 3 things or people using adjectives.
That is how you make your words come alive.
Thank you for watching.
Remember to like and subscribe for more fun.